It's Father's Day, and Marianne got me a Christmas present back in December. I haven't used it, and it's now June. So here's what I've got. My buddy Brent has one of these, a different model, but it's how we sear our steaks when we sous vide. So I'm going to turn the flame on. There's my nice ribeye. I don't know if you can see it from there. So here we go. We're going to see the flames coming out. And we're going to sear this steak. We'll show you the end product after I get it done. Stop.